Hello, teachers, and welcome back. It's James. You look at my lesson plan for November 2021. Slide 2, Greetings. Do some warm-up questions, such as 1. How are you today? They should answer it like this. I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm okay, etc. 2. What is your name? They can answer it like this. I'm James, or my name is James. 3. What is your last name? They can answer it like this. It's Watanabe, rather than saying, my last name is Watanabe. 4. How old are you? They should answer it like this. I'm 14 years old. 5. What junior high school do you go to? They should answer it like this. I go to blah, 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 junior high school. 6. What year of junior high are you in? They should answer it like this. I'm in the first year, I'm in the second year, I'm in the third year. 7. What do you want to be when you grow up? They should answer it like this. I want to be a doctor, etc. 8. Where do you live? They should answer it like this. I live in Tokyo. 9. Where are you from? They should answer it like this. I'm from Tokyo, Japan. Or I'm from Japan. 10. How many days are in November? Tell them to answer it like this. There are 30 days. I get my students to say, there are. 11. What holiday is on November 23rd? They should answer it like this. It's Kinro Kansha no Hi, which is Labor Day, Thanksgiving Day here in Japan. So they should know that holiday. It's up to you if you want to add this last question or not. Slide 3. True or false? 12 times 11 equals 123. They should answer it like this. True or false? Of course, it's false. There are 30 days in November. True or false? Of course, it's true. It is the year 2021. True or false? Of course, it's true. Sharks are mammals. To say mammals in Japanese is honyurui. The answer is false because they're fish. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. To say capital in Japanese is shuto. True or false? Of course, it's true. The emperor of Japan is called Tenno. True or false? It's true. My students don't know this word emperor, so I had to teach my students, and that was a giveaway. The Vatican is the smallest city in the world. True or false? Of course, it's true. To say Vatican, Vatican City, in Japanese is Batikan. Yes, it's also a country. The answer is true. There are 5 oceans. My students know the word ocean. In school, they learned that there are 3 oceans. But you need to tell them that there are 5 oceans in the world. You need to prove that there are 5 oceans, starting with the Pacific Ocean, that is Taiheiyo. The Atlantic Ocean, that is Taiseiyo. The Indian Ocean is Indo. And the 4th ocean is the Arctic Ocean, that is Hokkyoku. And the 5th ocean is Antarctica, that is Nankyoku. So the answer is true. The Arctic is colder than Antarctica. True or false? False. There are 12 players on a soccer team. True or false? False. There are 11 players on each team. Slide 4. Review the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They should know the days of the week. Ask these questions. What day is it today? They should answer it like this. It is Monday. It is Tuesday. Or it's Monday. It's Tuesday. What day was it yesterday? They should answer it like this. It was Sunday. What day will it be tomorrow? They should answer it like this. It will be Friday. Or it'll be Friday. Slide 5. Ask, what month is it? They should answer it like this. It is November. Then ask, what is the date? They should answer it like this. It is November 1st or November 28th. Then ask, what year is it? They should answer it like this. It is 2021. Then ask, what are the 2 holidays in November? To say holidays in Japanese is yasumi. They should say they are Bunka no Hi, which means Culture Day, and Kinro Kansha no Hi, which is Labor Thanksgiving Day. Slide 6. Your students should know the 4 seasons. But if you want to review the seasons, that's fine. I'm going to ask, what is your favorite season? For example, it's spring. Then ask, why? Your students should answer it like this, because I can see cherry blossoms. It's up to you how you want your students to answer that question, what is your favorite season? If you want them to answer it formally, my favorite season is spring, that's fine. It's up to you. You know your student. Slide 7 is straightforward. Ask, how is the weather? They can say, the weather is good. Or it's good weather. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's windy. Slide 8. Additional questions. I'm asking these questions to my students this month. 1. How do you get to school? They should answer it like this. On foot, or by bicycle, by bus, by train. 2. Have you ever been to, for example, Okinawa? They should answer it like this. Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. 3. What musical instrument do you play? They should answer it like this. I play the piano. 4. Where were you born? They should answer it like this. I was born in Hokkaido. 5. Do you have a pet? They should answer it like this. Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. 6. Who is the tallest in your class? They should answer it like this. It's, for example, Taro. 7. Who has the longest hair in your class? They should answer it like this. It's Keiko. 8. Who is the fastest runner in your class? They should answer it like this. It's Ryotaro, or it's me. Slides 9, 10, 11 talk about the main theme. What is this used for? To say that in Japanese is, これは何のために使われますか? The first picture in slide 9 is a pencil. Get them to identify that it's a pencil. Ask, what is this? They should say, it's a pencil. Okay, then ask, what is this used for? If your students don't understand this question in English, tell them that it's これは何のために使われますか? Most likely, you will have to demonstrate how to answer this question. It is used for writing. これは書くのために使われます. Next, ask them, what is this used for? They should answer it like this. It is used for singing songs. Next picture. What is this used for? It is used for cutting wood. Next picture. What is this used for? It is used for cooking food. Slide 10. What is this used for? Picture 1. It is used for washing your hands and face. Picture 2. What is this used for? It is used for seeing far. Picture 3. What is this used for? It is used for washing clothes. Picture 4. What is this used for? It is used for pointing and clicking on a computer. I could have said, it is used for pointing and arranging things on a computer. It's up to you. Slide 11. What is this used for? Picture 1. It is used for finding your direction. Picture 2. What is this used for? It is used for eating and serving food. Picture 3. What is this used for? It is used for telling the time. Picture 4. What is this used for? It is used for pulling and lifting things. For a test at the end of the month, you're going to hide all the words that end in ing. Slide 12. Would you like to? To say that in Japanese is something something shitai desu ka? Or something something yorushii desu ka? Here you're going to invite someone to something, and they're going to either accept it or decline it. Looking at picture number 4 on the left, would you like to come to my house? They can answer it like this. Yes, I'd love to. That'll be great. Sure. Okay. Or picture 6. Would you like to come to my house? Sorry, I can't. Thank you, but I'm afraid I can't. I'd love to, but I can't. Using the pictures on the right, invite your student. Would you like to come to the movies? Would you like to come to dinner? Would you like to come to lunch? Would you like to come to the beach? Would you like to come to a picnic? Would you like to come to a party? Would you like to come to a concert? Would you like to come to a market? Would you like to come to a meeting? Would you like to come to a restaurant? Would you like to come to the theater? Would you like to come to an art gallery? And finally, slide 13, games/resources. There's only one link, and this is for online hangman. Actually, this site has a variety of ESL games that you can play with your students. And that is it for this lesson plan. Hopefully you liked it. Use it if you want. Be inspired. Good luck. Bye.